So hey guys, welcome to a new video. Uh, you guys will think that a new setup, quite a new setup. Actually, it's not a vlog. It's an unboxing video. Uh, it's not a promotional video. One for a gifting purpose. I just bought something and going to unbox it in front of you guys. And let's dive into the video. And if you like, please share with your friends, families, and subscribe. Wait, parcel, right? Here we go. This is from the Man Company. And knife. So let's unbox. Actually, I got the delivery yesterday, but I want to shoot this video. For that reason only, I am just unboxing it the next day. Here we go. Nice packaging from the Man Company. Quite a nice packaging. Quite a nice packaging. Not of use. Not of any use. So okay, so these are the products. It's the Man Company's Pravi, the Man Company's Titan, flavor Titan, and the Amber. As it is a gift, it is for a gifting purpose. I am breaking the seal, but you know we are Indians, so we will do some jugaad. So let me unbox another one for you guys. So this is the Titan. Let me smell. Spray once. Smell of this perfume is also nice. A dark smell. It will long last. No non-veg jokes, guys. Family content. The last one. Wait. So here comes the hammer. Let me spray this once. This is also nice. This is also nice, man. I purchased all of these for a price of, this is for $12.99. This is for $14.99, and this is for $12.99. These are all these prices are in for the 50 ml bottles, and all the flavors here present. I have tried this in the shopping malls, and they are quite nice, quite interesting and a tempting flavor. It depends upon person to person it will vary because of the fragrance, because some person may like a strong fragrance and some may not like the strong one because they have some they may face some irritations in their nose. So for that reason only someone goes with light fragrance and some goes with dark means strong fragrance because it's a tempting one. The Man Company is a renowned brand in nowadays. Actually it's an Indian brand, uh, or an Indian startup based, Bangalore based, and they have an experts of teams. It's not a paid promotion. You guys may think that it's a paid promotion, but it's not. And I have purchased all of them with my own money. So and I'm going to and it's a festive season, you all guys knows, and we have to give something to our near and dear ones. And I think that if from giving sweets rather than giving sweets, if you give something that will smell good and every time they sprays on the any events or occasions, they will feel, they will remind of us that he gifted me this perfume and it smells nice. Okay, so it's also a this is also a matter. For that reason only I purchased it also. So we can proudly say that it's not you guys may think that the perfumes are imported, but it's not. Their team of experts made it in house. You can see that here it is written made in India. And nothing much to say, but I can tell you guys more about this in the later video, in the later, cause I have to try this now. I have to take reviews from others about the smell also. Keep watching the video and I will share the experience or review also. So it's a small unboxing video rather. I can't give a overview because you guys know that we have to also get some reviews from others also. My review cannot be a perfect judgment for those amazing perfumes. So I want to tell you guys that you can feel that my voice is not so proper in the video because I'm facing a severe cold and cough and many more problems for the last 5 days. And I have to shoot this also because the channel is going, means I just upload the last video 15 days ago I guess. So 15 now, 15 days ago or 15 to 20 days ago. So I have to shoot and post it also and edit it by myself only. So if you like the video, please share with all your friends and families, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and bell notification, stay it on, because amazing content is coming up next, because we are traveling somewhere. um, let be a guess. Okay, let be a guess, because I don't want to expose it over YouTube for security purposes. Not only security purposes, but also I want to surprise you guys with the content also. So stay tuned guys.